Today we're talking about maximizing the durability of your ceramic coating. It all comes down to preparation, application, and care. Let's get after it. So when we talk about preparation for maximizing the durability of your ceramic coating, we want to talk about clean glass that's ready to apply and receive that coating. If you have dirty glass, obviously we recommend using a premium glass cleaner. We recommend Invisible Glass. Zero residue. That's going to take off all the dirt and the grime on the windshield and give that a super clean, residue-free glass surface to put that ceramic coating on. If you have any old coatings, this could be anything from waxes from a drive-through car wash, it could be old rain repellents, it could be old ceramic coatings. Those need to be removed in addition to cleaning the glass. So for something like that, you're gonna need glass stripper, which is gonna basically reset that glass to OEM spec with nothing on that. Clean it with Invisible Glass, and then you're ready to go. So we're gonna start by trying with just glass cleaner. But you can already see pretty quickly, and I know because this is my car, that there's old IG Hybrid on his, which is a rain repellent. You can actually see where the wipers were, and you can see that the glass cleaner is beating up pretty well. That means there's a coating here. So just cleaning this with the glass cleaner, although it will make the glass clean, it will not be optimized to get a long, durable coating applied on top of that, because you're basically putting that on a weak foundation. This is already a coating that's breaking down. So we're gonna want to remove that coating first before we put our next ceramic coating on. So again, before we jump in with the glass stripper, just another reminder of how you can tell your coatings are breaking down. You can see here pretty visually the difference between where your windshield wiper blades are acting and that physical abrasion is breaking down that coating. You can also see a little bit here that these beads are a little bit flatter and aren't standing up on themselves like the ones here that aren't getting worn off. What we're gonna do now is completely take this coating off, and we'll spray the water again. You will see a complete sheet of water letting you know that there's no coating left. We're gonna give some tips and tricks on how you know this glass stripper is working. If you want all the details, check out the link below for the full glass stripper video, but you can see very quickly this product is pulling back on itself. That's another indicator that there is a good coating on that glass. You'll also notice when we get into the windshield path, you can see that it's a little bit slower to react. Again, another sign that coating is breaking down in this region. What we're gonna do is take it completely off, start fresh, and you'll see that this kind of product will hang around and not pull back at all. What we're doing here, again, for all the details, go to the video, but we're just doing tight circles, letting the product do the work. You don't have to put all that much force in here. And you'll feel a difference, you can hear a difference. For example, in this area, you can see that product is now staying a nice even opaque coating, versus over here, it starts pulling back. You can physically hear, I don't know if you can hear that, but you can physically hear the glass pores kind of grabbing onto the sponge, where it's here, it's very smooth. It feels like you just waxed your car. And we're just gonna do this across the entire windshield to remove that old coating. So now you can see on the left, there's absolutely no question, there's no coating left behind. Complete sheeting water versus the old breaking down coating on the right. Now that we've used the glass stripper to remove all the coatings, again, to get the last remaining residue off, use your Invisible Glass as the last prep step before you apply your ceramic. So the second step with making the maximum durability of your ceramic coating is the application phase. Again, if you want all the details, check out our video specific for applying our Invisible Glass ceramic coating. For this, the main thing you want to focus on is getting that even coating across the entire windshield. That's the thing you want to focus on. So our tip and trick, and I'm sure you've seen videos on this all over the internet, is using this cross-hatching pattern. There's nothing magical about cross-hatching, but what it does do is minimizes any risk of missing certain spots. If you make the passes too wide or something like that, the crosshatch covers up for that. So again, the focus here to maximize is you want to make that crosshatch pattern, get this even coating when applying your ceramic. So I've applied and cross-hatching pattern for about this half of the windshield. I don't know if you can catch this on camera, but you can see the rainbow effect, which means that ceramic is starting to cure. And make sure you let that rainbow effect happen so you have a good bond with the glass. Then use your two towel system to wipe the excess with one and then buff with the second. And this just ensures an even coating of that ceramic across your glass. Now that we have the ceramic coated evenly, you got to make sure you give it at least 2 to 4 hours to cure. Ideally, for maximum durability, leave it in your garage overnight, or at best, 24 hours. Let that cure. That's going to give you the maximum durability on your ceramic coating. The last step we're talking about is caring for your ceramic coating. Clearly, we've changed cars. The Subaru's outside curing, that ceramic's curing. This already has a coating on it, so we're going to be doing the care part on this car. And there's two main things you can do to help the durability when you're talking about ceramic coatings. You can maintain it with a hybrid or an additional rain repellent topper. That's gonna help fill in any gaps that happen from chips, from rocks, or wear just from time, UV rays, grime, things like that. So a hybrid is gonna help keep that beading visibility in the rain looking better longer. And then finally, the simple thing, which a lot of people forget because they think once they put a ceramic coating on, you don't have to do anything to your car. You still have to keep it clean. Any grime on your windshield is basically gonna act like very fine sandpaper to break down that coating. So keep using your glass cleaner, and then when you're cleaning it, keep in mind to clean your windshield wiper blades where some of that grime can kind of accumulate and really act as an abrasive against that coating. So there's lots of factors that go into determining how long your ceramic coating is going to last. Control the ones you can. Remember, preparation, application, and care is going to maximize that durability of your ceramic. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.